Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this organic particle trail. We'll have a particle lead following a custom path to create this glowing streak. Let's start by jumping into a new composition. We'll use 60 FPS and a 3-second duration to keep the motion buttery smooth. First, let's set up our native particle system using CC Particle Systems. Dial in the settings as follows to create that ball look now. Now we have our basic particle emitter ready to go. Step 2. Let's draw our motion path using the pen tool. Step 3. It's time to get the particles to follow this path. Twirl down the shape layer, select the path, and head to the window menu. Look for the Create Nulls from Paths script. Click Trace Path, and it will generate a null object for us. This null is now perfectly animated along our custom curve. Let's adjust the keyframes on the timeline to refine the timing. Now, we'll link the producer's position directly to the null object's position. And there it is. The trail is now following the path beautifully. To give it that vibrant look, let's add a gradient and some color evolution. Finally, apply a deep glow effect to make the whole thing pop. That's it. A professional particle trail using only built-in tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.